But if that's my cat,
who the fuck is this?
Where did all my poops go? They were right here. All of my poops, they were right here. And now I'm here and they're all gone. Have you seen them?
Can I get a Yahoo?
Lily, come on.
okay, see, she trusts me to the point where it's like, you don't have instincts anymore, dude. I think I broke a bird.
So if you're living in 2020 and you don't have one of these things, how are you getting through this year?
Milo, guess what you're getting for Christmas? A puppy!
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe.
Sorry to bother you, miss. I'm from the sheriff's department. We've had some reports of your dog chasing around people on bikes.
I think you have the wrong house. My dog doesn't ride a bike.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor real quick. Boop. Thank you.
Move, get off. Get off. It's ruining your video. Oh, the dog! No! Shit! You beat on my phone! You beat on my phone, you little shit!
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Today I'm going to be praying for you because you'll be having some anger issues, and I know that there's something inside of you that's not allowing you to be the sweet dog. Okay? So in the name of Jesus, we're going to rebuke that evil that is inside of you, okay? Okay, in the name of Jesus, I rebuke every demon inside of you. Rebuke it in the name of Jesus. Let it out. Let it out. I rebuke in the name of Jesus. Oh, let it out, princess. Just let it out. Don't hold it in. Don't hold it in. Fuera. 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 Fuera.